5 wild burros were found shot and killed near a spring in Death Valley National Park, officials said Friday. Park officials believe it is one of the largest illegal killings in the park's history. The dead burros were found together in Wildrose Canyon, part of a hike that the National Park Service rates as difficult. A park ranger told the Los Angeles Times that the animals were killed with a low-caliber firearm not typically used to hunt big game. It's not clear when the burros were killed. The abandoned carcasses also endanger native wildlife, who inadvertently ingest toxic lead shot when feeding on the dead animals, the ranger told the Times. Burros are technically an invasive species in the park. In the late 1800s, borax mining was big business in the Death Valley, and pack animals were brought in to help with operations. Inevitably, some wandered off and others were abandoned. Today, there's about 4,000 wild burros living in the park. As with many invasive species, this has presented a problem. There are extremely limited resources for the hardy species that can survive in the hottest place on Earth, and the burros can take up more than their fair share.